Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. First, always approach science with curiosity, asking why and how to deepen your understanding. Next, break down complex topics into smaller, manageable parts. This makes learning less overwhelming. Finally, remember to actively engage with the material. Don't just read, question, connect, and explore the concepts to truly make them your own. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To truly master science, active learning is essential. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words after each study session. This helps you process and retain information better. Drawing diagrams and creating visual aids can also make complex processes much clearer and easier to remember. A fantastic method is to teach the material to someone else, like a friend or family member. Explaining it aloud reveals any gaps in your understanding. Organization and consistent review are vital for long-term retention in science. Keep your notes well organized by date and topic so you can easily find information when you need it. Scheduling regular review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, helps reinforce what you've learned and prevents forgetting. Flashcards are also incredibly effective for memorizing important terms, formulas, and definitions, making recall much quicker during tests. Applying what you learn is crucial for deep scientific understanding. Always work through practice problems and exercises. This helps you apply scientific principles in different scenarios. If possible, conduct simple experiments at home to observe concepts firsthand, making them more tangible. Finally, discuss scientific ideas with others. Sharing thoughts and listening to different perspectives can uncover new insights and strengthen your grasp of the subject matter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.